Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers on the channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about the off-road part, BONOSS Forge FT Cooling Wheel Spacers. Half-century spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are half-century. The center hole of these wheels is perfectly fitting the wheel hub assembly. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide the higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. Full cone lug seat compared to part cone seat, greater force area and safer. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.